What's up guys, it's John from TechSpace, and today I've got some sad news. I went to the bike park to film a video for the channel bashing the XMaxx and Armour Granite. Unfortunately the XMaxx didn't survive it. Had a nice big jump onto grass, landed badly and broke it. But not all is lost, because we are going to unbox my brand new Traxxas MAXX. Let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Remember to subscribe if you like content like this, guys. It really helps us out, and yeah, it motivates us to keep giving you guys some high quality footage of the stuff that we unbox, review and just play with on the channel. Okay, so let's look at this bad boy. As you guys know, with my XMaxx, I was so pumped to get it. I wanted one forever and finally got it, and it's broken now. But today the courier services delivered my brand new Max in the yellow color. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I've got the yellow color. Also, while we're talking about the color, price for it, I paid $1,195, which is, by the way, the cheapest one in New Zealand that I could find brand new. Traxxas MAXX 4S, got that bad boy with it, and it's the official Traxxas battery. It's a 4S, 6700 milliamp hours. It's got a max burst rate of 50 C, and it's got a continuous discharge of 25 C. Right, so let's quickly look at the battery first. Where is my old trusty knife? Oh, quickly gonna get it. Knife. The one that my wife loves me using, eh? Alright, so seal. Cut it open. And for those of you who haven't seen in my previous video of my XMaxx unboxing, guys, there is the battery. It's a big boy, it's a large pack. It weighs 644 grams or 22.7 ounces for those of you who wanted to know. And like I said, it's a 4-cell pack, and it's the official Traxxas one, and it's compatible with the Traxxas ID system with the Traxxas connector that most of you are familiar with. Looks a little bit skew. Anyway, it shouldn't influence the function of it, eh? Alright guys, so that is the battery. Let's get rid of that and let's get to what we are here for. So let's quickly look at the box. So I don't have this green color. Like I said, I've got the yellow. You've got the new sledgehammer tires mounted on the Max. Let's read some of the things here. They say this version 2 has obviously got the Wide Max kit and suspension already installed. It's got an extended chassis to make sure that we can use this lipo battery. As you can see, guys, it says there 6700 milliamp hours 4S battery, 6700 milliamp hours 4S battery. Alright, sledgehammer tires, like I said earlier, so it's 16 plus volts on 4S. As you know, it's a Traxxas, and it's got apparently a 60 plus mile per hour speed that it can reach. But again, that will be with your optional speed gearing that I'm not too sure if it is included in the box. Alright, so let's quickly look at the box. And for those of you wondering, there is the different colors that you get the Max in. Like I said, you'll see also with a white round sticker there. I've got the yellow. I wish I could have gotten the red or the blue one, but unfortunately it's sold out everywhere in New Zealand. Alright, let's twist it up that way and let's see what it says here. So you've got the VXL4S high output waterproof electronic system with a 540XL motor, which is fan cooled, Villian system. Then it's got the self-righting system. Again, not typically something that I would ever use, because I heard it breaks the diffs and I don't have the know-how to change it easily as most of you guys do. So I do not tend to use that function at all. I just run up to it, flip it over with my hand. All my boys go and they flip it over for me. They love going to the skate park or the bike park with me to bash. so they usually love just flipping them over for me. Alright, then we've got a clipless body mounting system, and it's exactly the one that you find on, or the system that you find on the XMaxx. So it's just a turn clip, hooks into the front, and as you saw in my XMaxx video, I struggled to figure that out a little bit, but yeah, eventually got it, and it's got the same system here. And then you've got that new sledgehammer tires. This is the Hawaiian, I think they call it the Hawaiian color scheme on it. I love the color coded wheel nuts, which is nice. And you've got the Traxxas link system that is also available on this truck. All right, let's go to the okay guys, so there's some speed stuff. I just quickly want to show you guys. Already saw it in anyway. So they say that's the fun zone, which is typically bashing zone, and then you've got your speed run zone. I'm going to keep it in the fun zone because I like having fun. Simple. Alright, fantastic. Let's open it up. So obviously seals are in place. I'm going to need a knife, and it seems like we've got the seal on this side. Open it up. Alright, let's get rid of the first piece of styrofoam. Here we go. Ooh. Look at that. Look at that. What do you guys think? I'm super excited. Look. In my personal opinion, I've had the XMaxx. I've had that granite for about a year and a half. I've never been able to break anything on that. I've told you guys this before. To me, that is still the best skate park basher there is. This thing just survives everything I throw at it. I just love it. So this is almost a direct competitor to it. And I've heard from the Traxxas boys and even the non-Traxxas boys that this is the pinnacle of skate park bashing. So obviously I'll be the person to test that out. Alright, so let's get this bad boy out. Ooh, it's a beauty. Just get the battery out of the way, put my knife there. Alright, let's quickly look at what else is in the box. So there we've got our little plastic kit. We'll go through it now. This is trying to find the controller with the last piece of styrofoam in here. Been struggling with this bloody styrofoam. Right guys, box gone. Okay. And on the other side of the styrofoam, you've got your controller. Alright, so let's take this out. Styrofoam gone. So, there's the controller. You've seen that before. Traxxas Link controller. You need 4 AA batteries to put inside of this controller, right there at the bottom. Alright. And yeah guys, you've got your typical settings. You've got your reverse and your forward, and you've got a set and a menu, and you've got your steering trim, and I'm guessing I think this is something to do with your speed setting. Alright guys, so there's the controller. Alright, let's put that to the side. It's there. Let's open this bag of goodies up. See what's inside. You've obviously got your little spanner, tighten your wheel nuts on your vehicle, and you've got 2 Allen keys. Not too sure what the size is. Okay guys, standard stuff. You've got a Traxxas MAXX. Oh, this is really nice. A quick start guide, but this is proper. I think this is the pinnacle of information sheet you can give to a buyer of your product. I mean, look at that information. I didn't get one of these with the XMaxx. This is really nice. English, very understandable, some Dutch, brandgevaar. Obviously I'm Afrikaans, so I can read some of it. These is van Godsgeutsen. No, I'm just kidding guys, I can't read any Dutch or German for whatever this is. It's very similar if you speak it, but it doesn't read the same. Okay, so there is a quick start guide. Right, then you've also got your battery saver sponges with, again, something I still don't know what that thing is guys. I had one in the XMaxx as well. I'm not too sure what it is. Right, then we've got the TQI performance guide, and again guys, the stuff that Traxxas gives out with their trucks, especially this one, I'm very impressed with this. This is good stuff. I mean, my XMaxx didn't have stuff like this, and it really explains exactly to you how everything works. I should really just make time and read through this because it will help me set up my XMaxx as well. I haven't set up any of this stuff for the XMaxx, so yeah, this is really going to help. Oh, this is good. A parts blowout sheet kind of a thing. This is very nice guys. It's like support with all of the parts. This is really nice. Usually this is something that you will download online, but I'm glad it is included with the car. Guys like me who typically don't really know a lot about the exact details of what's going on inside of this RC in terms of fixing it and what all of the terminology is. I mean, I'm still new in this. I've done it for a while, but I've never really put some effort and time into myself to get it figured out. Obviously, with having all of these cars now and investing in this YouTube channel, I'm going to need to figure it out. Luckily, there's a lot of guys online which really carry so much knowledge, so that would be great. And I'll definitely ask for help. Alright, so there is a ID battery identification kit and all the batteries that actually runs with the charger and stuff like that. You've got your Traxxas warranty registration sheet. Okay, so let's reveal this bad boy. Okay guys, so plastic cover off. It seems like we are going to have to remove it. Okay, so there the body comes out of the plastic. Let's quickly look at the body first. So this is the top side of the what they call yellow color scheme for this Maxx. And then as well you've got that typical type of a cage that you've got in the side protecting the body, or strengthening the body rather. What I like about this Maxx is that it's got this hard plastic like a protector on the roof area, which is nice, something that the XMaxx doesn't have. And I think this is really going to protect the top side of the body from obvious damage. So that's really nice. I know that I believe you can buy something like that for the XMaxx as well, but I'm glad this is included as well with the Maxx. Alright guys, so there's the body. Okay, so the typical Jandre suspension test. Okay, this has got a nice suspension, but it feels much stiffer than the XMaxx's. That's quite interesting. Anyway, really feels high quality guys, there's no denying that. Really feels good. I mean, again, Traxxas build quality. This should really last probably a good amount of time depending on how you use it. The grip on the tires is really impressive. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the grip is really, it's deep. The knobbies are deep. These sledgehammer tires are really nice. I didn't have a Maxx version 1. I wanted to buy one, but it was always out of stock in New Zealand. And I'm glad that I got version 2 and I could wait it out and get this one. Everything just looks beautiful inside. I mean, you've got the wheelie bar, which is obviously needed in a truck like this. Okay, so there's the back of it. There is the other side, this obviously being the rear, the front, and there's the front without the body, and there is the bottom of the chassis. You've got your motor with the cooler, you've got the ESC fan with the ESC underneath, you've got your waterproof stuff here, and you've got your servo. It's very basic, very simple, good design. This thing is quite weighty, I must say. It feels really weighty. Let's put the body on and see how it looks. So, put it on. And there you go. It's an absolute beauty, guys. I mean, look at that. It's just enormously beautiful. Everything seemed to be well made out. I just love the thing. Looks brilliant. I think it's going to run brilliantly. I've seen online it's a proven product, and I'm really looking forward to running this while I'm going to try and find parts to fix my broken A-arm on my XMaxx. Alright, so let's quickly do a size comparison between the Maxx version 2 and the Arma Granite Mega version 3. Okay, so clearly the Maxx is significantly larger than the Granites. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below if you like it, if you have one, what mod should I do if I do any, and I can't wait to see if it holds up to its reputation. That's unboxing of my brand new Traxxas Maxx. If you like this video, give it a like, and also please subscribe to the channel, guys. It really helps out the channel a lot. I'm Jonathan from TechSpace, and we'll see you in the next one. Bash on. Cheers.